Hello my dear soul family, let me ask a very beautiful question today, that what is exactly going on in your person's mind, what are the messages that you can see, and what exactly this person is feeling about you. So I shuffle the cards and I received two cards. The first card, I'll show you the cards. So the first card is saying neglected and the second card is escape. The first card is telling me that I failed to give you what you need and I left when the things get hard. So I could see this person is pretty much having some commitment issues, commitment phobic होगा ये आदमी, and then I could see this abandonment issue also, and the avoidant attachment style is also there. Because of this person can sabotage himself and thinking about कि जब भी for some other connection जहाँ पे this person could feel right, this person could push you to the extent कि जहाँ कि आप extent तक कि आप उसको push करके वहाँ से out कर दो, and so that they can feel good about it. And after that, when the things and the energy is not there, then they can think कि yes we pushed it hard enough कि अब वो person शायद नहीं है मेरे जीवन में, या वो situation नहीं है, या वो चीज़ नहीं है. So this time is also I can see that if you are into this position, that then you should learn how to move on. You should learn how to let go of the things which is not good for you, and you should learn कि अगर कोई चीज़ आप बहुत टाइम से ऑब्सेस्ड हो रहे हो, बहुत टाइम से आप सोचो कि क्या ये चीज़ें करना चाहिए, या फिर आपके दिमाग से वो जा ही नहीं रहा है वो सिचुएशन या वो जगह या वो आदमी, देन दिस इज़ अ रीडिंग अबाउट यू कि you need to learn about your own journey, you need to learn about your own patterns, you need to learn how to break these patterns. And see, these trees are also having this similar kind of pattern. So the whole escape system is telling you to understand what exactly you are sabotaging. तो यहाँ पे या तो आप अपने चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा के साथ बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ डील कर रहे हो, एंड दिस पर्सन इज नॉट डीलिंग इट लाइक बिग टाइम. So this person is also telling you that I messed up the good things in my life sometimes. So see, I already told you that this person is doing this thing again and again, and this is in this pattern, इनके pattern में होगा. So you need to understand that what is exactly important for you, and what exactly you wanted to carry, and what exactly you wanted to have in this lifetime. एक ही लाइफ है, मतलब हर टाइम पे आप वेट नहीं कर सकते किसी का, और कोई चीज़ का इतना भी वो नहीं कर सकते कि इफ़ somebody is not giving you a priority and they make you like an option, treating you like an option, and you are just chasing around, कभी ना कभी आप थक जाओगे, because you are asking for the right thing but they are not into the right mindset to give you that thing. So this is the time where you need to think about yourself, you need to think exactly what I'm lacking, what exactly my pattern is, and then you can see the solution of your problem. So this is what the reading is telling me, and this is what your person's mind is going on right now. So claim this energy by liking this video, and with this I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you all. Take care.